We'll guide you through how to fix Dropbox syncing problems using the most current methods and UI elements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Dropbox desktop application and make sure you are signed in with the correct account. You'll want to check that your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection can cause syncing delays. Next, click on the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar to open the Dropbox interface. Here, you should see a status indicator. Make sure it says up to date. If it doesn't, click on the gear icon for preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Account tab and ensure your Dropbox folder's location is correct and that you have enough disk space. If everything seems fine but syncing issues persist, try pausing and then resuming syncing by clicking on the Dropbox icon, then selecting Pause Syncing, wait a few moments, and then resume syncing. This can sometimes kickstart the process. If you're still having trouble, go back into Preferences, go to the Bandwidth tab, and check that your upload and download rates are set to Don't Limit. A common fix is to clear the Dropbox cache, which can sometimes get clogged with old data. To do this, open your Dropbox folder, find the folder named Dropbox.cache, and delete its contents. This will not affect your stored files but will help clear any stuck syncing issues. Lastly, make sure your Dropbox application is up to date by going to the Dropbox website, downloading the latest version, and reinstalling it if necessary to replace any corrupted files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.